too.
Do you mean glaze?
All right, just make sure you guys talk a little louder so we got the music.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Homegrown's Food 411. We are now doing a donut series, which I'm really excited about because I love donuts. I am here with Miranda West from our team.
Hi, guys.
Thanks for joining me today.
You're welcome.
We are at Winchell's, which is attached to the Amigos over on 56 and Old Cheney. So that's where we're at today. I just picked the donuts up from the counter, and so let's go ahead and dig in here. One for you.
Thank you.
And one for me. All right. Let our cameraman take a good look at them.
Okay. There we go.
Got it? All right. So the first thing I noticed about these donuts is they are extremely thin. Probably some of the thinnest donuts I've ever seen.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
But we'll see how they taste. Ready?
Yep.
Cheers.
Say the rules or not?
We're going to say the rules. I'm sorry. Okay.
That's right. We caught it.
All right. Go for it.
They can't know we're coming,
We can only have one bite.
and they have to be. I just learned this morning. They have to be raised
Yes.
chocolate donut.
Raised donut with chocolate frosting.
Right. Yes.
Yes. We just kind of got the difference down between cake and raised. So
I was just informed.
now
so.
we know.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and try it. It's not great.
No, it's not. I wish it was warm. I don't know if, a little
It's-
warmer. Very thin.
It's very thin. It tastes almost, it's just dry. It's
Yeah. Dry.
it's pretty bad. The frosting's okay.
Yeah. I wish there was a
It's-
little more frosting, I guess.
Yeah. It tastes more like, I don't know, doesn't have a sweet flavor to it.
It doesn't taste like a donut.
Yeah, a little too crispy, the donut itself. So, definitely not my favorite. I had never been here before, so this was actually my first
I've
time.
never had a donut from here, yeah.
Yeah, same. So,
No.
this was a first experience for us. So, that being said, I'm going to go with a 3 for my rating.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I would say I'm kind of on board with you on that.
Okay. So official rating for the donut here at Winchell's is 3. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, please remember to like and share and visit our Homegrown page on Facebook and Instagram. We've got lots of fun contests and lots of food-oriented stuff, some local restaurants and businesses. So we always like to have fun on there. That's it for now. Have a good day.
See you later, guys.
Bye.